heard Blazendary's getting a MTV TV show, so hopefully something like that happens to me. Today's video, Bape hoodie. Not the shark. Oh, it is the shark one. Hold up, I got you right there. Bape shark hoodie in purple and black. Alpha rundown, plus ring, obviously. Got that on. This is a Zane Robe split hem t-shirt. You definitely can't see the bottom. And I got my polo pajama pants on right now, all black, keeping it subtle. I got these pajama pants because you know the Supreme ones that everyone's been rocking. Justin Bieber has it. I've seen a couple models with it on. Couldn't find those, so I had to get these from polo.com, and they were on sale. They're usually like $70 to $80, but I got them for $25, so it was a steal. I'll try to get the link of that to the description. And before we start on the video, of course you guys know what you got to do. Follow my Instagram page, Louis Vuitton Videos. Oh, iPad's dead, but link in the description. You guys already know what it is if you've been watching. Let's get into the show.
Wasted. She do cocaine in my basement. I'm a doctor, but I'm running out of patience. She told me that she's...
What's good, YouTube? Today we're gonna go over the Bape shark hoodie in black and purple. Let's get into it. So basically, Bape shark hoodie right here. I'm sure you guys seen this all over the place. This has been a thing since like the Tumblr days back in 2007. But those little hypebeast pictures in their Bape hoodies with like 6 or 7 of them on. But I had to go and caught myself one. Thought it was pretty cool. I like the colors. I didn't have anything purple in my wardrobe, so I got this. Let's go from the front to the back. Basically in the front we got a Bape zipper going straight up and down silver. And it also has one at the bottom, so you can style it with either it zipped up all the way, or you can get it towards the neck with just like that. I've seen Chris Brown do it like that a couple of times with some of his flannels and hoodies, so you can style it like that, of course. What else do we have? All black in the front, purple sleeve on one side, black sleeve on the other, and on this sleeve we got the Bape star. That's the right sleeve right there, Bape star right there. So there's that. We got 2 front pockets. Pockets are pretty big. You can probably fit a decent amount of stuff in there. On the inside lining, it's like the inside of the hoodie, and on the outer side inside lining, it's just like the outside of the hoodie. So that's it for the front. On the purple sleeve side, we got the Bape design running through it. They're just normal design with the Bape head posted out here and there. I think we got 1, 2, 3 on this side, and then 1 on this side, just right here in the corner. And on the edge of the sleeve, we got the Bape tag, of course, the brown Bape with the copyright stamp, and on the inside, just the back of the Bape head. Basically like their t-shirts. And I have a couple of the t-shirts coming in the mail, so I'll do a full, first I'll do a t-shirt collection, I'll do my whole Bape collection. I got a couple more things for you guys. Alright, let's move on to the main part of the hoodie, which is the hood. So on one side we got the shark with the eye, red eyeball, shark mouth with the red tongue, white teeth, basically like black lips. And then this we got like a tiger A. I don't know what this is for, but it looks cool. Basically like an olive green outline with the tiger. Looks like a tiger tail up here, which is kind of cool now that I think of it. It's got a little eyeball, it's got its teeth in its mouth, and I'm pretty sure that's the nose. Kind of reminds me of Tigger from Winnie the Pooh. And on the other side, on the opposite side of where the sleeve's purple, the hood's purple. So basically we got WGM. I'm going to try to figure out what that is before I post this video and leave it in the description. But this is like a carpet almost. Kind of reminds me of like Elmo and stuff like that. But it's like a rug carpet. Stitching is really nice, really heavy, super nice quality. And then the stitching around it's kind of like that fabric that you get from like the dollar store. Not saying it's that cheap, but it's like that kind of stuff that you use on like projects and stuff. So with the W, it's got the black background, the G, it's got the white, and then the M, it's got the purple in the back. Pretty nice cutout. I'll get some pictures and videos of this after this, but the eye and the mouth. I'll put an on-body review of this. I'll put an on-body of this too, of course, and then it together, zipped up all the way, just a full shark mouth. That's basically it for this. I'll show you the tag on the inside. I got a size large, Bathing Ape, World Gone Mad from 1993 to 2093, which is kind of funny, but the Bape head in brown, the large tag. I think, if I'm not mistaken, there's a tag inside. Yep, it's got the Bape in gold with the copyright, nothing on the back except for, I think it says a Bathing Ape, all rights reserved. And then just a couple tags in Chinese saying how you can wash it, how you can't wash it. And that's basically it for the hoodie. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, leave a like down below. Peace.